Hello guys and welcome to the third dev diary of Nuclear Frontiers. Today I will show you some new features which I implemented into the game. We will start with the possibility to harvest some items like trees or get us some herbs and sticks like on this little plant here. So they spawn randomly within the world. It's also dynamic spawn. This means the entities only spawns if the players nearby, otherwise they won't spawn. So you can gather this up. And it's also the trees. You can see it here. They are here right now, this trees, and now they disappear. So yeah, um, it's a random spawn around the location, and you can gather this with just holding E. Um, I missed the animations right now, but yeah, the animation is nothing I worry too much in this state of the game right now. So yeah, it's more important that the script is working. Also, you can get rocks. So yeah, it's I think a pretty cool system because I can't harvest these trees. So there was this solution to just spawn another tree model, and this you can harvest with this system I implemented in, and it's working pretty good. So yeah, you can get some items and have them in the inventory basically. Also new is the inventory. It's now collapsed items. So back in days, if I had 12 sticks, there would be 12 entries in the list with sticks. Of course, the inventory is not finished yet. I will rework it a bit, so maybe I will do an inventory crit with an icon, but at this time, yeah, I just don't have all the icons for all the items. So you see here, wood and stone is just a painkillers. But yeah, I need to create icons also for this, so it's for the development. This inventory works fine. So it's also possible to drop the item. So I drop one stone, you see. I got only one stone left. I pick it up. I got two stones again. So this is also new. I think it's a bit more, yeah. You got more overview about your items if you have collapsed items. Some items can stack, other items are not able to stack. So let's have a look if we can find an item which is not stacking. Hopefully we will loot something. It's pretty random. Nothing found. Okay. So yeah, there's also the chance that the loot boxes are empty, so you have the chance for loot, but it's not guaranteed. Canned food, we looted, and this is an item which is not stacking, for example. So yeah, let's have a look. I also removed some post effects. Some people was saying the bloom is a bit too much, and I will try now to do with less bloom. And yeah, but let's see. We have clean water, strong painkillers. Is also I just want to have an item which is not stacking, so I can show you this, but it's unfortunate. I think it won't happen. So yeah, but these items can't stack. For example, the dirty water, clean water. We have a bit more chances here to get maybe dirty water or something. Nothing found. Oh, it's pretty zatted. Everything is empty right now. What the hell? Also nothing. There is just nothing in. Yeah, we got 3 more points we can look for some old items. Dirty water, there we got. So you see, I got 2 dirty water now. It's not possible that this item stack. So yes, this is the new inventory management, basically stackable items. It's a really cool feature. Also the random spawn here. And yeah, you think about, okay, now I can harvest trees, I can gather sticks, I can gather herbs and fiber and so on. So what can I do with this? So I will show it to you. But we need a bit more wood right now. We need more wood. Just harvest this boy here. It's also new, or it's not new, it was basically, yeah, you need to face the object now if you can if you want to harvest it. So I face it. If I turn too much to the right or to the left, it's not possible anymore to harvest this. So yeah, this is also something new. So let's wait until we have enough wood, and then we need to gather some stones, and then I show you what you can do with these items. So wood, stone, we need 2 more stones. Maybe I need to adjust it a bit, that we can find more items, but I think it's possible, right? We have enough now. So there's one more, and there's also one. So yeah. Okay, so I showed it already, but yeah, you can basically craft now in the game. It's a crafting menu. It's also work in progress. It's for the development right now, and you have 2 options here. At the moment, there will be much more. These are player craftable objects. So, for example, you can craft a campfire. Okay, then you have it in the inventory. If you crafted the campfire, you get it into your inventory, and you can just simply use this and yeah, move it around, spin it around. You see some basic building stuff, and then you can set it here, and then you have a campfire. It spawns prefabs, so yeah, at the moment this is just a model, but in the future you can build, for example, workbenches with it. So you can cook dirty water on the fire, or you can cook raw meat on the fire to get cooked meat and so on. So you will have more valuable items. This is yeah, everything is possible. So you can craft basically also just weapons or something and use it as a weapon. It's just an item which gets crafted and placed into your inventory, and with the building part of the script you can just move it around and place it at a point where you be, and just craft items. This is the new gameplay, so it's not that much, but it's an important thing that you can craft, and it's also important that you can get materials for crafting, because later in the game it will rain, it will be stormy, and then you need to have a shelter, right? And this is something which is very important, that you can build a shelter, that you can protect yourself from the weather and the nature things. So, and when it comes to level design, I said in the last DevDiary, it's now time to get a bit more deeper into the level design. You see it already. There are, yeah, the landscape is more bumpy. There are more hills. There are more, yeah, trees, wood, not wood, a forest, and yeah. Also, the lake is here. You can see it on, yeah, here, cliffs. And yeah, also that we want to have an summer camp. I already posted in the forum a screenshot or a image from the cabin, and we go to the summer camp now. It's time. There's an old sign, and there you can find an old school bus. So, and if you are at the school bus, you see the cabins, and you get guided basically into this old summer camp. Right, first the sign and the school bus, and then you have the old summer camp. There are 5 cabins, an old tree in the middle. You can't harvest this tree, so it's not possible to get wood from this tree. And yeah, I think the zombies hanging around. between this old tire. It's a cool thing. And yeah, you can also find loot here. Within the cabins, I need to create some loot spawns or some loot items, some chests. There is basically just right now only the bed and a small oven. Maybe I have to, yeah, to do this oven or make this oven a bit bigger, but it's okay for now. And there are some old boats. Where it is? There are some old boats. And here are some loot items. So these are the barrels. The 3 barrels is prefab. If you loot them, you get crafting materials out of it. So it's 100% crafting materials. There is no weapon, no junk or something else in. Yeah. So you will find crafting materials within this old barrels. Or you find nothing. So it's not 100% that you get something, but it's 100% if you get something, it's 100% as this crafting materials in it. And yeah, this is the old summer camp. I think this is a really cool place. It takes a lot of time to create this place. It's one of the point of interest I created into the game, and there's an old fireplace. So you can see also there's the fire model. It's just not at the I don't have the script done at the moment for working benches and working tables, so this is the reason why the fire is just a model. You will interact with fireplaces like this within the world. In the future, the old benches, I created them for myself, so this is a model I created for myself. The fireplace I buy it. And also the cabins I created for myself with all the interior stuff. So yeah, there are some items I buy it because it's simply not possible for me to make any model for myself. So this would take too much time. For example, the school bus. It's also a buy model, but I think it's okay to buy models. It's a common way because I work alone on the game, and yeah, the game have to be done at some point. So, and I don't want to take 5 years to make the game done, right? So yeah. And yeah, this is basically everything for this episode today. It's not that much when it comes to gameplay, but it's important features. And right now I'm working at the work tables, as I said, and in day and night cycle. So maybe it's possible in the next DevDiary to see already when it's night. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And if you got some ideas, which I also can include into the game, just put it in the comments or write me in the forum. And yeah, have a nice Sunday. Bye bye.